Okay, this is called Rua dos Cle. Really like this one because it's a cool little alley and it's right off of Rua do Cunho. Rua do Cunho is quite busy always with a lot of different people anyways. And then you also have this little plaza right here as well. And we're going to be heading down that street, showing what it's all about. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua dos Cle. Let's go check it all out. Just kind of do a little parameter before we go. Oh, that's cool. We got all these Buddhist things up at the top there now. I think that's kind of new. I don't remember seeing that in the past. So, okay, let's head on down. See what we can see. First thing we see is a Starbucks. Kind of interesting right here, right? This one is a pork chop bun. So I think that one is Starbucks. Pork chop bun is kind of the signature food of Macau Bistro. I think this one is also Portuguese food, I think. Food stall in the alley. There's Portuguese. Pescador, fish. That's another one. Cidade Velha Porto. Newport City. Got all these nice little alleys everywhere off of the sides here. Another little alley here too. Cafes. A little bit of construction, so looks like they're going to do some new things for these two right here. So we'll see what they do with those. That's pretty nice. Oh dang, that's cool. That looks real nice. Huh. Those are alleys too, so you got some alleys in there and you also have this nice little thing up front. That's a nice draw. That'll bring people in for sure. Oh, that's the inside of it. So yeah, that inside of it looks a lot like what we saw here. So yeah, looks nice. Barcelona. I met the owner once. He's a real nice guy. This one is an artist, Portuguese artist. He chisels things out of the walls, and then he'll create. Usually, you'll see like a facial image, or it could be anything, I think. But I think that's the face right there. Kind of cool. They got a new bar here, German bar, sells German beer and pretzels and things like that. Portuguese bakery. Got a little explosion of colors here. Got pink, yellow, green. There's a good barbershop down there, Joker. And some nice artwork down here too. That's kind of beautiful one right there. Some nice balconies too. So what we're gonna do is this is really beautiful right here. This is kind of a highlight of this area. Nice restaurant right here as well. So we're gonna come into here. And then you can see this. Oh, we're still Rua dos Cle. Good. So Rua dos Cle actually turns. So we actually followed it and we ended up going the right way. Then you kind of got this really nice little beautiful street in here. A nice little plaza as well. Hello. There we go. So then we have that little street and we have this little street, Rua dos Cle, and that one as well. It goes all the way down to where we started almost. So, okay. So that's real nice. And we'll end it right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.